So the next little challenge to solve with the dust collector system is how to get that lid off the bucket. So the lid is attached to the cone and the blower, and the bucket sits on this little platform. So I have to either drop the bucket, which I can't do because it's sitting on a platform, or raise the lid. So I'm opting to raise the lid. And the way that I'm going to do that is I have a little rope there. I mounted a pulley on the ceiling coming down this side. And on this side, I'm going to mount a little lever here, run the rope through this hole here, and then when I pull the lever down, that will tighten up the rope and raise the bucket. What could possibly go wrong? All right, got the lever mounted. I was able to take these brackets off here. These are no longer necessary, at least for now. I put a little bar here across the bottom of the hat, so when this lever comes down, it'll just kind of come over and catch underneath there to hold the hat in place while the bucket is being emptied. So let me set up the camera and show you how this all works. Alrighty, so I can simply come over here, pull this lever, provide a little guidance on this. The hat goes up, and the bucket comes up. And if I'm not careful, things fall over. So, very simple mechanism for getting that hat up and down. Put it back on the hat back down on the bucket, and there we are, ready to go. It does imply that I'm going to need to keep some flex hose here between here and the rest of the pipe for the dust collection system, or provide a quick release mechanism when I want to raise or lower that. Combination of both, perhaps. Anyway, that's problem number 2. We're on to the next one now.